Presido Buhari don't receive Dan Masanin Kazuare for Abuja. Presido Muhammadu Buhari don't receive Ambassador Lawal Kazuare after him turbaning ceremony as Dan Masanin Kazuare of Kazuare Emirates for Jigawa State. Lawal Kazuare, when don first serve as diplomat, now be the state chief of protocol to Presido Muhammadu Buhari since 2015. Chief of Staff to Presido Muhammadu Buhari, Professor Ibrahim Gambari, when represent Presido for the turbaning ceremony, now lead senior members of the presidential aid to present the Dan Masanin Kazuare to Presido Buhari. Professor Ibrahim Gambari Konya told the people how Presido Buhari take receive Ambassador Kazuare.
He was extremely delighted and even had a written statement because Ambassador Kazuare is a career diplomat, very experienced, very thorough, very committed, and is known that he appreciates those who serve him faithfully, loyally, committedly, and with experience and expertise. We also see that this is a recognition by the outside and the communities of the kind of the quality of people that are serving Mr. President so that he can fulfill his mandates, his priorities, particularly as we are coming towards the end of the administration's tenure.
Dan Masanin Kazuare Ambassador Lawal Kazuare thank Presido Buhari and the people of Kazuare Emirates for their support.
For one to be given the title of Dan Masanin speaks volume, and then the only thing I can say is to thank him and thank the people of the Emirates for the support and goodwill as well as prayers they have been offering us since the beginning of this exercise.
So what should they be expecting from you as Dan Masanin Kazuare?
The expectations are very high, and as a human being, we can only do the little we can through the help and guidance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The only thing we can do, we are just used as a means to an end. So keep on praying to Almighty Allah to give us the opportunity and also the will and the health to keep on serving the people wherever we find ourselves.
Omo Alukia Jakaye, TMC TV News. Don't forget your PVC na be your power. No say I'm giving a politician an election day.